maganda na andito yung iFranchise, very affordable yung kanilang package. Tapos quality of coffee. Ipagmamalaki natin.
I can't win, I can't reign, I will never win this game without you, without you, without you, without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain, I will never be the same without you, without you, without you, without you. I'll take blame, but I can't accept that we're estranged without you.
Until what was just a dream, sa katagalan, nagka-reality na. Finally, we were able to open this, and I hope na in the coming months, coming years, we'll be opening another one. Mas maganda na andito yung iFranchise, very affordable yung kanilang package. Tapos quality of coffee. Ipagmamalaki natin na ang sarap niya, hindi at an affordable price. Tapos ang nakikita niyo ang ambience. Nakikita niyo, coffee talaga.
Yes, coffee talaga.
So iFranchise, thank you.
And maraming salamat po, attorney, sila Kayla Yusek, sa pagtitiwala po kay Coffee Spot.
Welcome to Coffee Spot, Harbor Square, Manila. Now